Petrus Blanc. Gage Blabag, the open racing, Ali in front. He's second by Moana Belay, followed now by Petrus Blanc on the outside. Coming up is entry number 1. That's Monday Star, passing the winning post. Petrus Blanc takes up the running by half a length, followed by Monday Star. Running in third is Moana Belay. Then 3 lengths back now is entry number 4. That's Monty Babe. And going along for the first turn, it's now Monday Star leads by 3/4 length, followed by Petrus Blanca. 2 lengths back now is Bondi Babe, Moana Belay. Here comes Yes Commander, then followed by Total Victory. Senora Nenita is running in the tail of the field. Down the half-mile they travel. It's still Monday Star leads by line, followed by Petrus Blanc. Yes, Commander on the outside. Moana Belay. Total Victory moving up now to take third. And inside the last 600, Monday Star. Total Victory and Yes, Commander on the outside. As they hit the last 300 with Total Victory leads by length now, followed by Yes Commander, and running in third is Monday Star. And at the final turn is still Total Victory leads by Zan. 3 lengths now over Yes Commander and Senora Nenita, and finally Total Victory. Senora Nenita, Yes Commander, Moana Belay, close, Petrus Blanc, Monday Star, and Bondi Babe comes in last.
6253.